Welcome, Libra, to your June 2023 reading. First, I would like to open up with a mantra. You can either repeat with me or just listen and let the sound vibrations enter into your ear. Take a deep breath. O Bhagavate Vasudevaya. O Bhagavate Vasudevaya. O Bhagavate Vasudevaya. You allow those transcendental vibrations to enter into your meridian lines, setting intention as we dive in and see what we have for the air sign of Libra. And if you hear some noise in the background, that's the baby cat and exploring. Seems like she's digging my vibe. This is the first time I see her, and she's really cute. Anyways, let's dive in. So the spread is very simple. It's past, present, future, and I take another card and place it on top as it represents your state of mind, and I take another card and place it right under, represents your current state of heart, your heart chakra. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're excited for the last few days of spring, because this summer solstice for the summer is coming really quickly. And wherever you are, wishing you well. And there's always a solution to all problems. She got scared. What we got for Libra for June 2023. For Libra for June 2023. No. So we got the Ten of Wands in reverse as your past. Seems that you've been working very hard, and now you are asked to relieve yourself of all the burdens and maybe take a day off to just recover. And not just recover, but to ground yourself and also allow others to take the responsibility for their actions. And the clarification we got is the Nine of Cups. Good times. Knowing that enjoying the harvest, but knowing that there's still more work to be done. Indulge, but just don't stay there. Indulging. There is still work to be done. So far, so good. Very nice. Let's see what we got for the present card for Libra. We got the Page of Wands in reverse, clarified by the Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So basically the Page of Wands is telling you to gain focus and allow all the energy that is being being pulled in all different directions to grasp it and cultivate it, because your clarification card was the Ace of Wands in reverse, which means that there's great inspiration, great force coming in, but don't allow the scatter energy to just take this moment away from you. Allow yourself to sit in this energy, weed out what you need to weed out, and let the rest go as you keep what you need to focus on and work with it, because you're being given this energy, this Ace of Wands. Inspiration is here, it's now. Grab it, work it the best way you can. It does not have to be perfect, because there's no such thing as perfect. Only the Supreme is perfect. Alright, so we got next card for your past. So once again, thank you for tuning in. You're tuning into 108 Times Back Home Tarot. It's always great to hear from you, see you, and it's good to be back. Been busy, but it's good to be back on it. For the past, okay, we got the Ten of Wands for the future, and we also got the King of Wands in reverse. It came out right next to it. I'm not gonna take this card, but I would say that it's just to remind yourself that you have come from you're basically an underdog, and don't forget that, where you came from. So the clarification card you did get, because I always get the card from the bottom, is the Ten of Pentacles. So for moving from this energy, Ten of Swords, into the Ten of Pentacles. So right now you're releasing, you're acknowledging, knowing that certain blockages mentally are done. And even some things that may still feel like painful, the solution is to allow this energy, transcend this energy by meditation, reading transcendental literature, seeking that as eternal, and manifesting it to a legacy. Allow this energy to show you the door to a better time. Well, not a better time, because you are doing good. It's more like allow you to cultivate that is eternal, that you're going to leave behind. Because we all gotta go. I gotta go. Everyone has to go. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it to my car. I don't even know if I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna fall down. Any moment can be my last day on this planet. And yes, you can live your life to the fullest, of course. But at the same time, that means that life to the fullest can also comes with reactions for the actions. Smart choices, clarity will allow you to bring into fruition the Ace of Wands and transform it into the Ten of Pentacles. Great wealth, abundance. Okay, so we got your state of mind. What is your state of mind for Libra for June 2023? We got the Nine of Pentacles. You're standing in your power. Just like I said, you're cultivating. The Ace of Wands is knocking. You're like, yep. Abundance, Ace of Wands. I may feel, these changes are a little turbulent, but I got it. And see what we got for clarification. And we got the Three of Wands. The Three of Wands in reverse. Sorry about that pause. My son came out. I was like, hey, you're too loud. But anyways, the Three of Wands as your clarification for the for the King of Pentacles. Basically, be grateful for what you have at this present moment. Yes, there's a lot more, plenty to obtain, but sometimes this one pentacle is just enough So turn this card, meaning that the canvas is still blank. And it still is. It's just telling you to be in the present, stay grateful, healthy thoughts. Let's see what we got for your heart chakra. What we got for the heart chakra? A lot of fire in this Two of Wands. So much fire. And for your clarification card, we've got the Page of Wands. We got Fire and Pentacles and one sword. Well, actually, 10 of Swords, but I just see like a lot of action, a lot of like you have the roadmap, but right now you're just resting, cultivating, acknowledging, planting the current state of mind, because you are an air sign. You're cultivating the right state of mind and looking at the world, and knowing that yes, there's a lot more to achieve, but still stay present. Stay present, Libra. Stay present. Yes, great abundance to achieve, but stay present. And the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Stay present. Yes, creativity, but stay present. So we got four. I'm going to pull out a card from the Indigo Angel Oracle cards to sum up the whole reading. Let's see what we got for Libra as a final message. Final message for Libra. We got Allow Love. Let's read what it says. Allow love. Sometimes it's difficult for indigos to see that those around them, especially those in an authority role, actually do love them. When rules are imposed upon them, when they face disciplinary actions, and when the ones close to them get upset, they often feel rejected. It is your role as an indigo to question rules and to ask why. When situations seem unfair, this will never change. This card invites you to see that although some things feel unjust, people are only lovingly looking out for your best interest. In order for you to live and succeed in society, certain rules must always be followed. When the people in your life correct your behavior, sometimes it's because they love you and want the best for you. If you sit and meditate, you'll know whether this is true for your present situation. Your role in this world will be shown to you clearly. Your job is now to make sure you do what is asked in order to be a productive member of society, the same society you're meant to recreate. So I feel that it's saying that compassion for yourself. And even though you have been working very hard and thinking about the future very heavily and going through great changes, and keeping your mind focused on what really matters. And staying present and really loving yourself. Really loving yourself, and allow family members and others to help you out. to help you out. And I feel that it's best for this card to resonate in the sense that it's a society we all want to follow or be looked at as like a normal human being. But what does that even mean? Right here, allow what makes love for you authentic to you. What love means to you. And use that to transform and transcend all these energies into that pentacle. That pentacle right there. Fill it up with all the love you have and plant it. The creeper will slowly start rising as it reaches the spiritual world. So that's your message then, Libra. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Haribo.